Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How we doing? All right, let's get ready here. We're going to do something different today. It's going to be different, okay? Hope you don't mind. Give me a second. We're still going to have to I'll have to tweet out that I'm live. What are we gonna Welcome, Wolverine. Good to see you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. 43 months. That's like a million years. How you doing, brother? How you feeling? Alright, just tweeting out that I'm live. So we can focus on the important things. Rough bad sleep lately? Oh yeah, me too. I can't sleep in this heat. I'm on the VR right now. Welcome, Saunders. For the first time in like full screen. How you doing? I just realized my whole Gemini chat from yesterday is gone. So that's nice, I guess. I'm just gonna copy this. I was gonna copy this. We're gonna start a new chat here. So we're gonna do some AI coding, some game development today. Since nothing else ever worked, so we're just gonna do it like this. All right, we got this, we got that. Let me. Wait, where's my? Oh, I already pulled the node modules out. That's interesting. Wait a second. Is this up to date? Yeah, this is up to date. I should probably also add this to an archive here. So what are you guys up to? What are you guys up to? All right, so the node modules are already out. That means I'm just gonna grab this. We're gonna dump this in here, the full file tree. Full file tree, and then we're just gonna pull some files in. I'm gonna try to not be like over the top with those files. So we gotta grab the server.js. Database schema. Pull those in. What are we gonna do? Game data definitions. That one goes in. City service goes in. City diplomacy maybe goes in. I'll pull the world.js into. I don't know, maybe character, maybe buildings, maybe not. Let's just not pull those in for now. I don't want to like preload too much here. And then we're gonna grab, what are we gonna grab? API manager, city manager. Maybe the game.js would be important. Diplomacy manager. The game UI manager I don't want to pull in because this one's like one of the biggest files I have. And I fucking hate this file. I wish it wasn't so fucking huge. There's too much shit in there. I need to like refactor this stuff. I haven't done it though. Let's go with the global socket too, because we're gonna need that later on. Mayor menu, probably. Player actions, player state. Shared UI, yeah, that's it. See, the problem is when I'm starting these projects, right? I have like a 1 million token context window. But the problem is, after like at like 300, it becomes unusable. And we're already at 88 and I haven't done anything yet. It's just my project info that I copied in and the files. Now I could go with less files, but we're going to need them at some point, so get familiar with the project, and then I will tell you what we need to do. All right. This thing's gonna read everything now. I'm gonna put the node modules back in here. I can't even remember pulling them out. I don't know when I pulled them out. All right, we got some problems. We got some problems. Okay, so this one's working. The time, okay, why is the time over there working and sometimes it's not? I just don't get it. Character page, it's gone. It doesn't load in. It's probably the first thing we're gonna try to work on, even though it's not really that important. Oh yeah, history, we don't have that. Tavern, it's not working. Diplomacy is not working either. All these things are not working, man. It's kind of ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, let's see. Okay, Gemini's got everything. All right, I'm gonna go with a little screenshot here first. We're gonna start with that. Put that in here. Currently have the problem that our time display in the header section is only being loaded inside the game HTML, and all my other game pages don't load that time, that in-game time properly. I'm actually gonna make a screenshot of it not loading properly. Do that. It seems like it pops in after a while, probably after a game tick, but we need to make sure that this date and timeline is always instantly loaded on every page. So much text. I mean, this is literally what it is. Like after a couple hours of doing this shit, dude, my eyes are just, I can't fucking read anything anymore. My eyes are tired, exhausted. They feel like sandpaper. They're dry as fuck, and I can't read anything anymore. I have like nights where I'm like, hey, I'm trying to, like, I still want to keep working. I'm not like physically that tired that I need to go to bed, but my eyes can't see anymore. Yo, Bizarre, welcome. How you doing? How's your day, Bizarre? So this is the kind of shit that I'm doing every day for hours. This is my main thing that I'm doing. All right. See, excellent analysis. You have a solid grasp of the project structure and data flow. Let's get to work. Yeah. You have a solid grasp of the project structure and data flow. Well, yeah. I made this thing. I made it. With help. A fragile check on the server problem, client-side mismatch. So he says shared UI. Code below is unchanged. Wait. Give me the full files, please. I'm lazy. I'm lazy. So like whenever Gemini is like, hey, here's like part of the code to figure out where to put it, I'm like, nah, brother. You give me the full fucking code, dude. I'm a lazy man. We might even switch over to the command line interface for Gemini. But I'm a little afraid of that one. Because this one kind of, like Gemini in the browser kind of sucks because I have to like provide all the files. And it doesn't know what's going on. It only knows the files that I uploaded. And so I constantly have to like pay attention and make sure that Gemini has all the files. Because Gemini likes to make shit up. Gemini doesn't have a file. Oftentimes it doesn't ask for it. It's just like, based on what I know is in these files, I can kind of draw my conclusions and just assume that this file looks like that. And yeah, partially that's true, but hey, we're trying to make a game here. We can't just assume what's in a file. Just fucking ask me to upload it. I'll upload it. Then you know what's in it, and then you can fix it. It's like, this is like the stuff that kind of like pisses me off a little bit. So we got the world.js. Let's actually close everything else. Start fresh here. So this is the world.js, right? Yeah. See, it gives me the full code, and I just replace the code here, put it in. I'm also always looking at the lines. We're going from 126 to 120. Wait, is that the same? That's literally the same. There's no, like, we have the same length, the same lines. There's no change here. I go back and forth with the undo and redo, and I see no changes. So I can already tell that Gemini is doing some dumb shit here. This file is updated correctly. Check the time service. Yeah, but, and then now the shared UI. I hope there's a change in the shared UI. Otherwise, I'm gonna murder Gemini. If Gemini, like, Gemini has been doing, like, weird things in the last couple of days. Not a fan. Yeah, this one's exactly the same, too. Yeah. Both your changed files are exactly the same as my files. Did you make any changes, comma, did you mean to make any changes, or are you just bullshitting me? Yeah, this is how I talk to Gemini. I've literally, like, screamed into Gemini's face verbally. So there's, like, no change. There's no freaking change in these. Failed to generate content. Permission denied. Permission denied. What is it? What is it with Gemini having issues the last couple of days? I think everyone's, like, jumping on that fucking command line interface, and now, like, Gemini can't get shit done anymore. It's fucking frustrating. Like, Gemini keeps doing shit like that, where it's like, every time I say something, it's like, permission denied, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, it just spits out errors constantly. It's been a little hard to work with the last couple of days, not gonna lie. The changes are subtle and easy to miss. There's no fucking changes. All right. All right. So it says in the shared UI. Let's go back to the original here. So it says in this line here, right? If data success, data time. If data success, data time string. It's already like that. It has already been like that. See, like, Gemini's like, hey, I made a change. This is the change I made. This is what the code looked like before I made my change, and this is what the code looked like after I made my change. And I look at the original file, and it's like, no, the code was already like that before you made your change. Your change didn't do anything. You just hallucinated the code to look different. It's insane. You know, we might have to use the command line interface. I feel like this thing is struggling today. So we have router get time. And it says so the original, it says, was router get time regress, right? Router get time regress, okay? And then it says if time service epoch start. Let me go back to this. If time service epoch start. It's the same thing, dude. Like, it says it had, like, a fucking underscore, which is not true. And the original didn't have an underscore there. You're just making shit up, dude. This is ridiculous. This is actually driving me nuts. It's been doing that for a while now. And almost like more than anything else, it's like, hey, I just hallucinated what the file used to look like. You had a typo here and I fixed it. And I look at my original file before Gemini fixed it, and it didn't have that typo in there. You literally just hallucinated a typo. I honestly don't know why this is so hard to fix. And now it takes like way too long to actually like spit out a response. I wish I could do like another model. 2.5 Pro seems to be bad right now. But if I go with like 2.5 Flash, Flash can't code for shit. Flash is bad. Like when my CLI switches over to Flash, for some reason I like all of a sudden like it can't fucking code anymore. So we're saying initialize world state. A new uninitialized time service is created here. Auth routes. Time service DB. Another new uninitialized world routes. Time service DB. World.js. Okay, so he wants me to redo the server.js. All right, let's do server.js. It's exactly the same again. There's like no change. It doesn't make sense to me, dude. This shit doesn't make sense to me. Dude, you're not changing anything. There's no way that this is changing anything. There's just no fucking way. Yeah, of course. It's just not loading. Yeah, we're not getting anywhere. This is such a small issue and Gemini can't fix it for some reason. Drives me absolutely bonkers. I might have to use the CLI, but I'm honestly afraid of the CLI a little bit because as nice as it is to not have to provide files because it can just access my folder and grab whatever file it needs and look through all the files and really figure out what's going on. That's nice, I guess. But the fact that I can just like edit every fucking file and I don't even know the changes really that they're being made. So it's spitting out another server.js right now. I almost think that this one's going to be the same one. I don't trust Gemini anymore, man. I feel like I can't do my development. I mean, how is it that this thing is... I just don't get it. I just don't get it. It's also kind of slow. I feel like it used to code faster. I guess we're just like, you know, maybe too many people are using Gemini these days. Or maybe the data center is getting too hot now in the summer months. All their servers are burning as like millions of people are trying to like generate code here with Gemini. All right. We got a new server.js. That one actually changes something. But is it enough? We'll see. Yeah, and he broke something. You got to be fucking kidding me. $520. Something's broken at $520. We're not getting anywhere. Once you apply this change, the time will load instantly on all pages. Or you break my server and I can't fucking start my server anymore. I don't know what the issue is here. I don't get this. Don't give me the full code, man. I could just fix that one little line. Man, we're already at 120 4K tokens already. I haven't even done anything. I haven't got anything done. This is the fix for the crash. All right. Okay, server's starting up. We're starting up. Oh my god, I was gonna say, did you break my fucking thing? Yeah, see, like, it's not loading. I just don't know, man. I just don't fucking know. I'm just gonna wait a little bit, because I think after a while the time pops up, but I don't know when that's gonna probably when like the time ticks over into like a new hour or something. Definitely happens at some point. Character sheets. Shit. What's going on with you? See, like now the time popped up. Now the time popped up. This shit sucks, man. Here it's always present. What are you up to, Wolverine? What are you doing? Okay, we had this. You know what I hate about Gemini? Gemini's like constantly sucking my cock. Like delivering shit code and then trying to suck my cock when I get like super angry. You've been remarkably patient, and my repeated failures to solve this are unacceptable. Yeah, stop yapping. Fix the fucking problem. Okay, so he wants to. Okay, yeah, I'm all for it. We're changing the auth JS. Just I hope he doesn't break it. So what was that? The shared UI? Yeah. My God. That's shorter than the other one. I don't know why that's shorter. Probably took some code out. All right, is that it? Update global sockets. Step 3. Do you need to update the global sockets, JS? It says like step 3, update global sockets, and then it doesn't do it. Alright. While this failed to generate content, fuck you, dude. Just get it together, Gemini. It's hot for me too, okay? Ah, and he broke it. I knew he was gonna break it. I knew it. Motherfucker can't do anything without breaking my game these days. Cannot find module bcrypt.js. The fuck are you doing with like bcrypt? All right, let me provide this fucking. This is honestly, man. This is what it feels like. Like I don't have to code myself, but I'm also like I'm not getting anything good here. You know, we made so much more progress like a week or two ago, and now I feel like I'm just constantly like dicking around with like small things, and we can't fix them. What even is bcrypt for? Right. Server started. Server error during login. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Like, why are we breaking everything? God dang you. I can't believe it, dude. This I might have to like revert all the changes. I might have to just like grab my backup from earlier. We need bcrypt for one critical reason. To securely store user pass. What? What are we talking about user passwords for? No, stop. Stop. I don't understand this fucking AI. It's like, oh, we need to install bcrypt for the user passwords. That has nothing to do with what we're working on right now. That has absolutely nothing to do with it. Gotta be kidding me. This AI is retarded. This thing is literally retarded. It doesn't make sense. Man. This is taking too long. I didn't think we were going to struggle so hard with this shit today. Step 3, the actual simple fix for the time display. Oh, is it the actual one? Is it simple? Like, the thing that Gemini always does is like, okay, I made a mistake, but this one is the real solution. And you put it in and it doesn't work. And then it's like, yeah, I see I made a mistake in that one too. But this one, this code, this is the real solution. Like, for real, like 100%, this is 100% gonna work. And it doesn't work. And you're like, yeah, you're right. I had a little mishap here. But this one is 100% definitely the final fix for it. This is going to solve the problem. There's no fucking chance in hell that this is not going to work. It doesn't work. And it's like, okay, but like the next one is definitely like 1000% the right solution. And it just keeps going like that for hours sometimes. Maybe be a little less confident and like just try to do better work, you know? Yeah. Replace your server, GS, with the one that I gave you that is missing 400 lines of code. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm done. Fuck you. 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 I'm done. Fuck you. I'm so fucking done. What a piece of shit, dude. Unbelievable. Okay, we gotta fix my stuff here. We're just gonna throw this one away. This one we're just gonna throw away. It's just not happening. It's not happening. That's why we have backups, right? That's why we have backups. We're starting over. We're starting over. Also, I need to grab my need to grab my node modules. I still don't understand why the node modules weren't in there anymore. Because I didn't pull them out. 100%, I did not pull them out. Anyway, let's put them in here. And we're gonna start fresh, and we're gonna use the CLI. Dude, Gemini is fucking insane today. It's stupid. It's fucking stupid. Why is this taking so long? Brother, how long am I supposed to sit here and wait for this? Just trying to fucking copy the node modules over. Come on, man. Takes forever. $30 left. All right. Oh, man. We done? We done. Cool. Nice. All right. Let me just hop back in real quick. Let me see everything's okay here. All right. Yeah. We're okay. We're okay. I might not even like want to focus on that fucking time issue, but I kind of do. I kind of do. Also, I forgot how to start the... copy my CLI thing here. Let's load it up. Can I combine them? Can I combine these two? Move? There you go. Nice. What else could we work on? What else could we work on? Wait, why can't I... Hello? Did we just lose the connection here? What the hell's going on? Come on, Gemini. Get it together. Yo, do we have to, like, skip the development today? Is Gemini struggling? I think we're struggling. We will close this. Okay, we can't close it. Come on, just fuck off, man. Fuck all the way off. Can't find a game? Fuck it, well, make your own. Yeah, I mean, been doing this for a month, man. Okay, we're struggling with something. I don't know what the hell we're struggling with. Are we like downloading something? No, it's not Twitch, it's me. It's freaking me, dude. Like, the whole fucking PC just froze. Even my fucking Stream Deck just completely disconnected, just shit the bed. What the fuck is happening today? Dude, I'm tired of this shit. I'm fucking tired of this shit. Like, the entire world's just going to shit right now. Nothing's working anymore. All games are shit. No new games. Everything sucks. It's hot as fuck. Stream is fucked. But you can see me now, right? I'm good. I'm good again. Yeah, I'm good again. I'm good again. It's all good again. Or are we not? No, we are. We are. We good. How you doing, chillers? I'm fucking losing my mind today. Just get it together. Holy shit, dude. Can I get some work done? Can a motherfucker get some work done? Can a motherfucker get some work done? That's the real question. Can a motherfucker get some work done? So how you doing, man? How you feeling? Can we start Gemini CLI, please? I feel like Google is struggling right now. I feel like Gemini is just shitting the bed all over the fucking place. You're good? Do we have a massive delay on stream? Is there a massive delay right now? There you go. Fail to log in. Resource has been exhausted. It's very possible. I mean, like if I look at my own chat here right now. Log in. Hello, hello. Wait, I need to mute this. Has been exhausted. Oh, there's a delay. There is indeed a. Where's this fucking delay coming from all of a sudden? It's very possible. I mean, all right. Well, we're gonna refresh this one. Let me see. I'm gonna refresh my own stream. Hello, hello. Wait, I need to mute this. No, there's a delay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm fucking done, guys. Like, is nothing working today? Is nothing working? Can we just not have any fucking fun today? Why is this so delayed all of a sudden? I'm just gonna restart the stream, guys. Give me a second. Okay?